We can also create reports, point reports. So here at the tool space, at the toolbox tab, you will see a reports manager. And from here, we can create point reports. So if you move down to the points and expand that points list, you'll see we can create reports on points list. We can create points in CSV. We can create points report. So let me just go to the points report, right click and click on execute. And here I can select point groups, a point group of choice. Another advantage of having points in point groups, so I can select a point group here that I want to create a report for, and then I will click on list the points. Civil 3D will enlist the points in that point group. And on this report, I want to show the point number, the northing, the easting, the elevation, and then the full description. I can change that to row description. And after I'm set, I can create the report. And as you can see, here the report is created, showing the point number, the northing, the easting, the elevation, and the row description. Now we can also change these names here. We can customize this report to show, for example, the preparer. It can be the preparer's name, the client name. So let me close this and close this. So we can change that from up here. Here at the owner, we can change that name to, let's say, John. The company name, we can change it to, okay. We can also add the address. I'm okay with that. Also, we could change the client's name. Okay. Let's recreate the report once again. Right click, execute, select the topo data, list those points again. My settings are okay here at the report settings. Let's create the report. And there you go, you can see now the report is now prepared by John. The company is XYZ, and then the client was ABC. Just how we selected. And you can select all, copy this to an application of your choice, like MS Excel, for example. So let me close now that we are done. Also, if you want to export a points list, maybe in CSV, copy separated values in Excel, you can come and right click on that command, and here you can select also the point group of your choice, leave the other things in default, and just click on OK. And there you go. See, the points list is created in CSV format. All right, that's how we create point reports.